A woman can be charged with adultery for one act of sexual intercourse, and every act of sexual intercourse is one charge for adultery. It's not the same for a man. For a man, you have to prove concubinage. Having sexual intercourse under scandalous circumstances, wala namang ganun, di naman sila nakikipagtalik sa harap ng Quiapo Church. Living with a woman and calling her his wife. And third is living with a woman in the same home as his wife, okay? So yes, you can get your divorce here, but as I said, you cannot change your name, huh?
Sa isang Pilipina na nag-asawa ng Muslim na naging battered wife na talagang sinasaktan, na ang rinig ko po sa Muslim religion daw na they are allowed to hit their wife kapag every time sila nagkaroon ng kasalanan.
That is not true. That's not in the Torah.
Pero yun po yung dinideclare ng husband na they are allowed to hit their wife every time they do mistakes.
So you ask, well that's not true. And I'm sure the Muslim men here, if there's any Muslim man here, they are going to deny that that is true. Okay? There is no religion which allows you to hit another person or to kill. There's no religion which allows you to abuse your children. Now, okay?
Follow-up
So,
question.
sabihin mo sa kaibigan mo, kung may self-respect siya, umalis na lang siya.
So, paano po natin ma-apply yung ating Philippine law na hindi pwede magkaroon ng battered wife, na may karapatan po ang babae kapag sinasaktan sila. Paano po natin ito ma-apply sa law natin, sa law ng Muslims?
There is no law in this country also which allows a man to hit his wife. There is no law anywhere in the world.
So, pwede po tayong magsampa ng kaso against them.
Yes, of course.
Thank you po.
And you know, you can follow Rufo Gutierrez. Nakilala na si Rufo Gutierrez, sinasaktan din siya. Umalis siya. She went back to her Christian religion. And it's the same with the former Filipina beauty queen. She married also a Muslim. She went back to her Christian or her Catholic religion. He sued. He sued her to get the children because he said she is not a fit mother because she is not Muslim. Unfortunately, he sued her in the Philippines. Guess who won? The Filipina. If you sue in the Philippines against a foreign husband, the Filipino court will protect you. Even if you are the one who got the divorce. I mean, there are a huge number of cases where even if it's the Filipino who gets the divorce, as far as your foreigner husband is concerned, he's no longer married to you. So he can no longer treat you as his wife. And there have been about 50 Supreme Court cases. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. The Philippine Supreme Court will protect you.